How to insert columns and rows in Excel. So in case you want to put a new column before B, you highlight B and then right click, tap on insert, then a new column will come. That's how we insert columns. Yeah, let's do it again for proper understanding. In case you want to put a column before D, you highlight D, then tap on insert, then a new column will come. Like that. So here it is somehow confusing, like you cannot see the new that you've inserted. So let's write something here. Let's write maybe pen. Yes, so you want to insert a new column before D, so you highlight D that has the word pen, then a new column will come before it. So tap on insert, right click, then tap on insert. And you see it has extended. So that's how we insert columns in Excel.